Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Project. So in this video I will show you the virtual healthcare chatbot using Python programming language.
So see, to run the project, what you have to do, what you can do, you can download VS Code. Okay, I think you know all this, right? Basic Flask setup and how to run the Flask project because I think you are aware of this, right? So still I'll tell you, okay. So see, to run the project, what you can do, you can download VS Code. First you need to do all Python setup, whatever I have sent you, okay. And then what you can do, you can go to this terminal. You can first go to this file, then go to your open folder, okay. And whatever zip file I have given you, just make it unzip and then select a project folder and then select and then click to select folder, okay. And then it will open the uh, project into your VS Code, okay. And then you can go to new terminal and then you can click to new terminal, and here you can type python manage.py run server, this command, okay. Server. And once you type this command, then it will give you URL, right? Localhost URL. You just have to copy this. Don't press Ctrl C, because when you press Ctrl C it will break the uh, Django loop, right? So just instead of that, just copy. Or you can, in VS Code you can right click on the link, then it will automatically get copied, okay. So let me open some private tab, and then you can go to the URL. So this is the basic home screen, okay, which I have created, and I have added one more PMI calculator, so you can also present that, okay. And then you can go to login button, and then you can do registration, okay, if you want. And as of now, I'll be just logging. Okay, let me create one credential. You can put any email ID or password. Okay, no need to put your Gmail credential. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, once you provide valid credential, then it will redirect you to home screen. Okay, so this is the basic home screen, and here if you go to BMI calculator, and then you can, from here you can, like, do the changes based on your weight, height, okay. And then it will give you BMI score, and you can, like, based on your BMI score it will tell you ki whether you are overweight, underweight, normal, or obsessed, right? So yeah, this basically that is the extra thing, okay. So then in the home screen there is a chatbot icon is there, okay. You have to click on that, okay. So then it will open up the uh, keep it at 90%, okay. Then it will give you proper visualization, okay. So when you go to your chatbot, then it will ask you certain question. You just have to reply the whatever question chatbot will ask, you have to reply it, and then it will proceed accordingly, okay. Just like I have just asked and I have given my name, so it will process accordingly. So as we have three different, this is the something health conversation which I have added from my side, okay, because we have integrated chat GPT. So I'll tell you what is it, okay. First we'll go one by one. First we'll go diet generator. So diet generator, when you click to diet generator, then it will automatically trigger the diet generator uh, thread, okay. Then it will ask you question based on the uh, plan, okay, whatever plan we required. So either you can type mail or m, okay, it will take it, okay. Whatever question system is asking na, so answer it proper way. Do not write answer in such like my height is 180, my weight is 70 kg. Don't do like that, okay. So just write it, keep it simple. Like it is asking what is your height, just mention 180, because we are internally processing, right, key we are converting the string into text, float, then we are processing it. So multiple things required, in multiple things are there in backend. So that's why uh, keep it simple, okay, in terms of reply. Just like I want to gain weight, okay. Like either you can type number or you can type this text, anything will be okay, that it will understand, like it will understand, okay, internally. So as you can see, it is now asking me any disease, so I can mention no, nothing. So it has asked me certain set of questions, right? And then whatever question I have system has asked and we have answered it. So internally it keep records. Okay, if you go to backend, so here you can see all records has maintained here. Okay, maintaining here. So then internally this complete uh, parameters and user information goes to ChatGPT, and based on that, ChatGPT recommend a plan. Okay, it takes some time because it's a heavy calculation, right? So ChatGPT takes some time to do the processing and all. So it depend on your internet speed too, as it's okay. So as you can see, so system has suggested some plan, suggested meal plan. So here it is a bit difficult to view it properly, right? So what you can do, I have given you one button. If you click to this go to meal list, so it will open the one page where you can see the complete like a suggested plan by ChatGPT. Ki we should take this in breakfast, and in the lunch this should item. In evening we should have this. In dinner, if you mention vegetarian, then it will create plan as a vegetarian. Okay, and it has also suggested some exercises. Okay, so this is for diet generator. Okay, similarly, suppose I want to check my disease, find disease based on symptoms. Okay, suppose. Suppose I want to predict disease from my symptoms. Okay, suppose now I don't know key what names of symptoms. Okay, so if you want to check the names of symptoms, you can also click here. You will get the list of bunch all the list of symptoms in the one page. Okay, basically this number of symptoms are available in our data set. Okay, we have utilized machine learning as well as ChatGPT, both modules in this. Okay, so you can just click it like suppose I'm selecting joint pain, so you just have to type the name of symptoms. Okay, and don't write like I am suffering from this, I'm suffering from this. Don't do that. Like, and suppose I have mentioned these symptoms and I want to predict the disease, so you can directly click here. Otherwise, if you want to provide more symptoms, then you can also do the same. Okay, suppose I want to now I want to add more symptoms. Okay, suppose neck pain, I'm just mentioning some pain related. Okay, and then it will again take as a list. Okay, it will it will append like it take as a symptom one, symptom two. Okay, like that. Okay, suppose now I want to add more symptoms. Okay, uh, because I am suffering from those. Okay, so I can do that. Okay, and suppose now I have mentioned three different symptoms. Now I want to predict the disease. Okay, then you have to click to this predict disease button. Okay, and when you click to this button, two opinion will chatbot will generate two different opinion. One will be by machine learning algorithm. One will be by ChatGPT. Okay, based on symptom, ChatGPT will recommend you some precaution and prevention and symptoms, and algorithm will also do. Okay, so as you can see, it is suggesting me this kites as something kind of disease. So let's search it. Okay, so as you can see, it is related to pain and knee pains and all. Okay, and this is the opinion one. And similarly, ChatGPT has also suggested some, like precaution, prevention like that. Okay, and suppose you want to see nearby hospital, so you just have to click to nearby uh, button. Then it will suggest you all the nearby, like uh, nearby hospitals near to you. Okay, basically we are using Google. Okay, basically this is very rare disease. So if you having some suppose system has detected heart disease or something, no, then it will give you a very good result. Okay, so this way we are just like doing this uh, hospital thing. Okay, similarly I have added one more thing, health conversation. So what is health conversation? Suppose you want to no discuss anything. Suppose you want to identify what are the symptoms of corona. You want to ask anything, like any general question you want to ask to our chat bot. Okay, then that time you have to click to this health conversation. So when you click to this health conversation, whatever message you will be typing, that will be goes to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate response and we will be displaying. Okay, like that it will be working. Okay, suppose I want to predict key see, along with this, I will show you this this voice feature, okay, mic feature, okay. Suppose you don't want to type the message, okay, you want to speak and it should be typed automatically, okay. So what you have to do, you have to click to this mic button, okay. So when you click it will ask you for permission. Okay, now whatever I am saying, it will just convert into text and it will set into a text bar, okay. So I'm just explaining you. Once you've done explanation, I will type, okay. So I'll be now asking one question to chat gpt and it will send, okay. So let me remove this. What are the symptoms of corona disease? Okay. Okay, so basically I have clicked to stop button, that's why, okay. So let me do it again. What are the symptoms of corona's disease? So this way you have to do, you have to say your whatever you want to like want to express or type, and it will convert into text, and then you have to click to send button, and then you have to stop the this mic button, otherwise it will continuously capturing your voice and converting into text, and it will set into here, okay. That will create a issue, okay. So as you can see, it is suggesting common features for this. So similarly, you can type key, what are symptoms, what are precautions. You can ask anything, okay. Precautions of okay, let it be. Basically, by default, we are chatting with ChatGPT, so it will correct the spelling and all. So, so this way, this voice model is working, and the speaker model which we have discussed, right? Suppose I want to convert this into audio, right? So I have every message you will be able to see this speaker. This speaker button is there, okay. So when you click to this speaker button, it will convert text into audio. Let me give demo.
Common symptoms of coronavirus disease, COVID-19, include fever, cough, and fatigue.
Right, so this way, like we have worked, so this is working very smoothly, okay, like speech to text, text to speech. So this way we have implemented all the modules like diet generator, find disease, health conversation. So this is something which is like it will be a kind of very complex thing. So this, basically I'll tell you honestly, this is something which is very like one of the complex project which I have done, okay. But yeah, it was a very good experience. So this was for speech to text, text to speech, and rest of module. So let's do with the language thing, okay. And suppose now I want to change the language, correct, complete language of this website, and I want to communicate in different language, okay. So what you can do, you can go to select language, and whatever language you want to go with. So I'll go with Hindi, okay, because basically I'm not aware with Telugu, but it will work with Telugu as well, okay. So as you can see, once you select the Hindi, it will convert everything into Hindi, okay. So now suppose you want to do, let's start from beginning, okay. So now let's suppose in Hindi language, now I want to identify the TC. I want to generate diet plan. Okay, let's generate diet plan. Okay, so one more implementation which I have done. Suppose you have keyboard, English keyboard, right? So you can't type Hindi, right? So what you can do, you can also type in English. Internally, it will convert into Hindi. Okay, whatever language you have selected. Suppose you have selected Telugu, so it will convert into Telugu. Okay, and suppose now I want to generate the diet plan. Ahar, right? So as we can see, it is like working well, right? तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है, right? So I can tell कि my age is 24, and it is asking me male and female. So I can type in Hindi as well if you want, or Telugu or Marathi, anything. Okay, it accept both. Like if you type in English or Hindi, it will accept everything. Okay, basically we have it's a kind of very smart thing which we have implemented. So suppose see this is vajan badhao, right? Means gain weight. So suppose if I type in English, Like if I don't want to type in Hindi, so you can type in Hindi as English as well. It will internally convert it. Okay. And suppose similarly you don't want to type in English, you want to type in Hindi, so you can type in Hindi as well. Okay. Or suppose you want to type in Telugu, so you can also do the same. Okay. Basically, I'm not aware with Telugu, that's why I'm not able to give a demonstration, but I'll try. Okay. कृपया टेक रोक बचन करें कृपया. Okay, it is saying me ki select proper choice, so you can mention, suppose sometimes it is not working, sometimes suppose it is not taking, just like here ki it is not taking the proper Hindi word, it is taking as a athiya, and it's supposed to be gatia. Okay, so in such way you can mention the number. Okay, so it is internally now generating the diet plan. Okay, so till it is generating, let me show you the Telugu part. So I don't know like how to talk with Telugu. So let's go with Telugu. Okay, we'll do with the so it is asking me name, right? So I can mention Sai. Okay, so okay. Actually, you should not do like this. Okay, because already there is one session is going on. So don't do like key open second session, and because it will not work. Okay, so as you can see, it will goes in continuous wait. So let's back to the this one. So here you can see it has generated the diet plan in Hindi. Okay, suppose now let's change the language. Okay, Telugu, and let's refresh this. Suppose now I want to talk in Telugu, so it is asking me name, I believe. Okay. So now let's suppose talk with the health conversation. So what you what you can do. Okay. See, whatever I'm typing, it is getting converted into Telugu, and it is also generating response in Telugu, right? So I'm not getting what it is, but yeah, I think you getting right. Okay, it is giving me suggestion as well, right? If I hover it, okay, so I can provide information, right? It is working, right? So yeah, so this way I have done the implementation. Okay, so and technology part I also use the same Django, Python, HTML, CSS, and all whatever we have discussed. Okay, so yeah, so do let me know in case of any doubt or issue. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.